The process of fulfilling your company's growth needs begins the moment you discover us online. This is the first step towards starting a collaboration. You make a quick phone call. A consultant answers
Dzień dobry Panie Arturze, Filip Sieradzki, Otinus z tej strony.
And estimates exactly what parameters the machine you need should have in order to best optimize production costs. The consultant invites you to a free machine demonstration at our showroom. Upon arrival, you are greeted by technicians who answers all your questions and shows you the capabilities of the machine you need. We discuss the terms and possibilities of collaboration with you in a very transparent manner and address all your concerns. You will receive all the documents electronically and can then send them back the same way. Once the details are finalized, our logistics team ensures that the machine from our warehouse is transported to your location as quickly as possible. We make sure you don't have to wait. We keep the majority of the most popular models available immediately to shorten the shipping time as much as possible and to allow you to start generating profits as soon as possible. Our cooperation doesn't end when the machine is delivered. Our experienced technicians will come to your installation site, help you set up the machine, put it into the operation, and thoroughly train your staff on parts you intend to manufacture. We know that you make great efforts to optimize your production process. Even long after installation, you can call your account manager and find out how to further streamline the process using our machines. If needed, we will come to your company. We are also available online or by phone. Otinus is a global partner whose goal is to take care of its clients from the very first contact. Get in touch with us and see how simple it is. Otinus, we serve you.